The era of edge computing has the potential to connect billions of devices in a smart connected world and change the way many people live their lives. As edge devices evolve from simple standalone operations to complex multi-threaded operations, NXP realizes the potential of edge computing cannot be delivered by one company working alone, but by companies working together to create compelling solutions. NXP and Advantech have a long history of co-developing edge solutions for the many segments of the embedded market. These solutions that range from gateways to medical devices, but always excel in performance, security, and reliability to last 10 to 15 years. As the deployment of edge devices accelerates in volume, complexity, and capability, NXP looks forward to extending the partnership with Advantech to deliver smart connected devices to meet customers' ever-widening needs. At Advantech's WPC, I look forward to seeing Advantech's technology advancements outside of the embedded market, products based on NXP technology, and meeting all the great people we work with at Advantech. I look forward to meeting everybody at Advantech's World Partner Conference.